Yes sir, so NEO is almost up 100% from the recent lows. Is this just a dead cat bounce? Should you sell everything now? Let's see what the daily chart is telling us. So price was stuck in this wedge pattern. Finally we are seeing a nice breakout towards the upside. Some key resistance level is actually starting from the price of $13.5 to $14. As you can see, rejection over here. This was support before, rejection in the beginning. So this is actually an important level, $13.5, $14. We can see a rejection from here. Now if you look over here on the RSI, it's sitting at 78 in the overbought region. So we are at overbought region, we are at resistance. The 200 moving average is sitting at 15. So a lot of factors are here, so quite the chance there might be a short-term correction. However, this correction actually might be very good technically. Even if we come down to the $10 area somewhere around here and try to bounce from here, this will actually be very good. And this is one of the reasons why past 2 months I have been talking about the $8 to $10 range over here to collect NEO with risky fund, and you can see today we are reaping the benefits, up almost 50% from our buying. Now the interesting thing that I'm waiting to see personally is look at this gap in volume. I want the price to cover this gap and reach this peak in volume. This will be very good because this is starting from 18.5 and going up till $21, and same range over here you can see a lot of action. So this is what I want to see the price do, maybe short-term correction and then go up, because at this point we would have achieved a 2x on our buying and we can take out the initial capital and leave the profit in the market. So this is what I'm hoping for. But let's see one more thing. If I zoom in over here and just try to put up the FIB levels on the recent highs to the current price, so something of this sort can happen where we come down to either the 0.382 level, which is sitting at 11.16, or the 0.5, which is start of the gold zone sitting at 10.36, and then try to take a bounce from here. So this is sort of action I am hoping for, and hopefully by that time the 50 moving average would have climbed up and reached into the same zone. So yes, this sort of action is quite possible. Now let's continue the discussion around the FIB levels, because if I try to put them from the all-time low to the all-time high, we see some amazing things like the 0.786 level sitting at 15.25. so this is coinciding with this resistance over here, so quite the chance we might start seeing a drop towards the downside. However, it would be great to see the price reach the 0.618 FIB level sitting at $26.28. That would be just amazing, because that would mean almost a 3x on the buying. As you know, I don't like to rely on one time frame, so let's quickly jump into the weekly chart because I want to show you something very important over here. So price is making a lower high and the RSI is making a higher high, giving us a bearish divergence. So we are at resistance with bearish divergence, so time to be careful. However, this candle here is a bit strong, so maybe a little bit push is possible, maybe towards 14-15, and then starts going down. But for now I won't open any more longs. I am just holding the position that I have made around the $8-10 mark, because these type of candles can actually be deceiving also. Look at what happened in the past over here, even over here, this one also. So we have to be careful of such candles that the next week might just be a big drop towards the downside, going towards the $10-11 range we were talking about before. So yeah, this is the current scenario. Now let's check the 4-hour also, which is a bit of a short-term thing, and look at this price action towards the upside, and the RSI is going towards the downside or almost flat. So yes, bearish divergence is present on the 4-hour also. So all these factors are telling us that we are running out of steam towards the upside, maybe a little bit push more and then coming back down, retest, and then continuing upwards, hopefully towards the $19 $21 area, which is this peak in volume. So after watching all of this, what do you think is going to happen? Do you think we are going up, or no, this is it, this was a dead cat bounce and we are now heading back down? So please let us know your thoughts in the comment below. Also, we have a free Telegram group. If you're interested, please feel free to join from the link in the description. Once again, NEO stock is a very volatile and a risky stock. If you are actively trading in this, please consider using proper risk management. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share, hit the bell notification so you are notified whenever we upload a new video. Thank you for watching.